What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Agi, in case you're new here, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. It means a lot to me, and if you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon, hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video, and also remember to like this video. So on today's video, I am so excited because I'm about to share with you something really amazing, something that I know that you guys are really going to like, and I know by the time you're watching this video, you already know exactly what you're going to be doing today. Of course, I'm going to be giving you a house tour. So before I give you the house tour, kindly go back and watch our 3-bedroom beachfront townhouse in case you haven't watched it. The reason why I'm saying this is because I want you to be able to decide on what you can afford. You're able to, look at the house that I'm going to share with you today and compare it with the 3-bedroom house, and then you are going to be able to know exactly what you can afford, because you'll find that we have something for everybody. So guys, if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it so that you're able to catch up. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a 1-bedroom house. So some of the things that you guys need to know before you come here is that we have a water park for the kids where your kids can have fun in case you're traveling with your children. Another thing we have is a very private beach, like it's never crowded. So if you want to go there, spend time with your family, you guys are going to have a good time. And also the fact that this place is very private, it's never crowded like other places, like, the hotels, sometimes you go there and like during the high season, like even the pool, you can't even have like a good time. So for this place, you're not gonna get that. So another thing I would like to add is that for this specific unit that I'm gonna share with you, this is actually a 1-bedroom apartment that I'm gonna share with you today. You do not have like a private pool. You're going to use the courtyard pool. But if you book a villa with us, you're going to get your private pool. So the house that I'm going to share with you guys today, we actually call it here the Africana house. It's a beautiful home, and it's African inspired. And I love this house because it's unique. Like no house looks like the Africana house. So it's actually a 3-bedroom apartment, but at the moment we are renting it out as a 1-bedroom. So I think in future, probably we'll be able to rent it out as a 2-bed or a 3-bed. But at the moment, I'd like to clarify that we are renting it out as a 1-bedroom apartment. So my loves, I really hope that you guys are really going to love this house. And if you love it, you can make a reservation on the number that is going to be appearing here on your screen. Kindly call it, WhatsApp, or even send us a message in case you want to make your reservation. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. So guys, let's get on with the video.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around.
So welcome to the Africana house, and I would like to say that your first stop from the door would be the kitchen. And I would like also to add that the kitchen is fully functional. You get a fridge, you get a microwave, you get enough pots and plates to prepare your meals. And right opposite the kitchen, we have the dining area. And next to the dining area, we do have the living room. And the living room is my favorite space in this house. So what's not to love about Africana? You get a large screen TV, you get comfortable chairs, and you also get free Wi-Fi. So from the living room, our next stop will be the living room balcony.
Posting every day, making sure she's in every frame. Who you're trying to impress? Telling everyone, including my friends, that she's the one. Making sure I get the message. Okay. You always find a good excuse to show her off.
So what I love about this balcony is the view. The view from this balcony is magical.
Honestly, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Care that she's cool, funny too, pretty hair. It almost seems to me you're on jealousy, but please, there's no need. I don't care. Couldn't care.
So from the living room balcony, our next stop would be the clock room. And this is the bedroom washroom.
Stop and run around, oh, you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait.
So from the bedroom washroom, now we head over to the bedroom. So now let's have a look at the bedroom balcony. And on the bedroom balcony, you also get to have this magical sea view. So did you like our Africana house? Kindly comment down below if you really love it, or if there's another one that you probably love on this channel. And like I said before, we're going to be sharing with you more units. We're going to be sharing with you more villas, apartments. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope that I'll be able to see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it?